What's up, PHS? I'm Kaulen, and this is your PHS News for Thursday, September 12th. The French Lick Scenic Railway is holding all auditions for the Polar Express. You must be 13 years old to be considered for a role. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent out to your email. Get your team together or sign up as an individual. Be placed on the team. Sign-up will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. Tonight, girls JV and varsity volleyball will be traveling to Salem starting at 5:30. Junior high cross country will be away at Crawford County starting at 5:45. Varsity boys tennis will be home against Borden starting at 5. Junior high volleyball will be away at Springs Valley starting at 6. Comes for all your ranks in national tonight. The cross country team is sponsoring a hat day on Friday. Bring $1 and be able to wear a hat all day. Get your sticker outside of the cafeteria before school starts Friday morning. I'm Kaulen, and that's your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day.